you're going to make money 20, 50. There are products that pay up to 80%, not just a percentage, but they will give you like $100, $200 or $300. Making money on YouTube. How do you make money on YouTube? YouTube has existed for over 10 years, but this question keeps coming in each and every year. It's because things change every year. There are different methods and new forms of making money on YouTube every single year. The first and the most proven, the easiest way of making money on YouTube is by putting ads on your YouTube videos. So how do you put ads on your YouTube videos? First of all, the first requirement is creating a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel right now. Go and create a YouTube channel, give it a name, and start uploading videos on YouTube. Because there is no way you're going to get views that will turn into watch hours and subscribers and then make money online. So the first thing is creating a YouTube channel. The second thing is fulfilling the requirements that YouTube requires you to join the partnership program. So what are the requirements? The first one is getting the 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 public watch hours. When people watch your videos, those minutes or seconds are added and then they become hours, and then you have to get those 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. And then the other requirement is getting 1,000 subscribers. So if you fulfill those requirements and you don't have community guideline strikes on your YouTube channel, you don't have copyright strikes on your YouTube channel, you're free to monetize your YouTube account and you're going to get ads on your channel and start making money out of your videos. The second way that you're going to make money on YouTube is by using referral links. There are several websites online, I'll make a video about that you can get referral links, and whatever product you're going to sell, you're going to make money like a percentage, 20, 50. There are products that pay up to 80% of product, and there are products that pay money, like not just a percentage, but they will give you like $100 every person buys a product worth of $200 or $300. And then services like web hosting. And then the other way that you're going to make money is by selling products and selling merch, like selling t-shirts, using your YouTube channel, selling to your followers. That is another proven way that you're going to make money on YouTube. You don't need a lot of followers to sell a product. You don't need a lot of followers to sell a t-shirt. As you're making a video like this one, you create your content and then tell your followers that I'm selling t-shirts like this one. Have a link in the description below. Then people are going to follow that link and go buy your product online, or they're going to make an order through email or WhatsApp, and then you deliver to them and you make money in that way. The other way that you're going to make money on YouTube is by partnering with brands. There are brands that want as low as 500 subscribers. There are brands that want 1,000 subscribers. Depends on the brand it depends on the brand requirements. So you're going to make money out of brands that want to put their adverts in your videos, that they want you to give them shout outs, to talk about their products, to make video reviews about their products and everything, and give them a feedback. I create videos like this one every single day. I upload from Monday to Sunday. So if you like this video, like it, comment down below, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.